Best start work. We'll get the workers out.
Let's get the rooftops out. So what we've got to do first then, Jim, to get this roof, to get this window out?
Right, wipers off, then we'll just cut this rubber. It's getting scrapped anyway. Then we'll take the interior out and go from there.
Let's get to it then.
Cool, we'll get some kit.
Did you know, Bill?
Yeah.
The maintenance manual does not tell you how to do this job.
I'm not surprised, Jim.
Doesn't mention it at all. How to take windows out, how to cut roof skins off, doesn't mention any of it. You'd have thought, it being a Ford, an old Ford, it would have said something about it, but nothing.
You'd have thought so, wouldn't you, Jim?
Tells you how the rear ashtray works though. And how you recline the seats. Genius. Who would have thought? Anyway,
Shall we get this interior out, Jim?
yeah, let's grab this interior out. I think you have to use the key. I saw something about that in the manual. Yeah, if you get the key out, and that goes all the way up. Here's the key. That comes up there. It clips out like that.
Oh, I'll just take it out.
Genius. Ah! No.
Wiggle it. Wiggle. Give it a wiggle. Oh, yeah, she's coming. Oh, keep on wiggling it.
Put that with the other glass. Recording.
Right. Take the roof handles out. This headlining's minging.
It's not very nice, is it?
It's a bit grubby. Ugh. Yeah, I think the roof line may need a clean. Don't touch it. It's it's just really nice. It's horrible. Mould and all sorts of grubbiness on it. Just a penknife. Oh, if it'll come out. God.
I think you've lost that, Jim.
I'll find that one in a bit. It's gone south, that. Holding the aerial on or what? One screw for that. Come on. There we go. A bit more effort than what it needed to be.
See, 4 10mm bolts. It weren't particularly tight anyway. Oh, can't see forward. The joy of old cars. No wiring, nothing. Nice and simple. Oh, back in the back cave.
You got a flat, have you? My little fingers can't get behind it.
I'll get booted though.
some Curist in a little bottle as well. No, we're not sponsored by Hammerite. Let's get painting.
Right, we've got the panel made. Nice simple panel. And just going to get this welded in. I trimmed it all up so it all fits nice. A little bit of jiggling around to get it to fit. Let's get it welded in. Right, we've welded up the roof on the Fiesta, the inner panel anyway. Next time we're going to be cutting the new panel to fit in and hopefully get it welded in. And that's about it really.
Make sure you like, subscribe and comment.
And hope you enjoy the video. See you next time. Bye.